everyone, welcome back to Go Condo. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and I share the best tips and tricks to make your condo feel like a dream home. Today, we're tackling one of the most common small space challenges: how to upgrade your condo kitchen from bland to bold without breaking the bank. Whether you're renting or own your place, I've got easy and stylish ideas to transform your kitchen into a space that looks high-end but stays budget-friendly. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. And if you love home decor and DIY, give this video a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these upgrades you'll try in your own kitchen. Your feedback helps me create even better content for you. Now, let's get into it. Here are 10 easy and stylish upgrades to turn your small condo kitchen from bland to bold on a budget. You won't believe how much of a difference these little changes can make. Let's go. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to upgrade your kitchen is with a fresh coat of paint. If your kitchen walls are looking dull, a new color can instantly brighten the space and give it a modern feel. Go for light, airy colors like soft gray, warm white, or pale blue to make your kitchen feel bigger. If you're feeling bold, try an accent wall in a deep navy, forest green, or even a chic black. Don't forget your cabinets. Instead of replacing them, consider painting them for a whole new look. A two-tone effect, like white uppers and deep green or navy lowers, creates instant contrast and dimension. If you rent and can't paint, try removable wallpaper for a stylish update without damaging the walls. For extra flair, update your backsplash with peel and stick tiles in fun patterns like herringbone or subway tile. They're affordable, easy to install, and completely transform the look of your kitchen without the commitment of real tile. Good lighting can make or break a kitchen's look. If your condo kitchen has outdated or dim lighting, it's time for a change. Start by swapping out old light fixtures with modern, budget-friendly options. Pendant lights over the counter or sink add a stylish focal point, while under-cabinet LED strips brighten up your workspace. If changing fixtures isn't an option, upgrade your light bulbs. Warm, soft white bulbs create a cozy feel, while bright daylight bulbs give your kitchen a crisp, clean look. For a trendy touch, try smart bulbs that let you adjust brightness and color temperature with an app. mirror or reflective surfaces can also help bounce light around the room, making your kitchen feel bigger and brighter. Consider adding a metallic backsplash or a glass front cabinet door to enhance the effect. Open shelving is a great way to make a small kitchen feel more spacious while adding personality. If you have bulky upper cabinets that make your kitchen feel cramped, consider replacing them with floating shelves. These give you storage while showcasing your favorite dishware, cookbooks, and decorative pieces. To keep it stylish and organized, use matching storage containers for dry goods and coordinated dishware. A mix of wood, glass, and ceramic elements adds warmth and texture. Add a few small plants or artwork to make the space feel curated rather than cluttered. If you're renting and can install shelves, try a wall-mounted rack or a freestanding unit that gives you the same open look without permanent changes. You'd be surprised how much a simple hardware swap can change the look of your kitchen. Replacing old cabinet knobs and drawer pulls with modern, stylish hardware is an easy and affordable upgrade. Matte black, gold, or brass finishes can add instant sophistication. For a trendy high-end look, try long, sleek bar handles on cabinets and drawers. This small detail creates a polished, cohesive feel that mimics designer kitchens. No tools? No problem. Many hardware options come with adhesive backings for a renter-friendly upgrade that can be removed later. Replacing countertops can be expensive, but there are budget-friendly options to give your space a fresh look. Consider countertop contact paper in faux marble, granite, or concrete. It's peel and stick, waterproof, and easy to install. Butcher block is another great option if you want a warm, rustic feel. If you're open to a small DIY project, concrete overlays can give you a high-end look for a fraction of the cost. For renters, decorative cutting boards and trays can cover outdated counters while adding a stylish touch. Maximize every inch of space with vertical storage solutions. Use magnetic knife strips, hanging pot racks, or stackable shelves to keep things organized and visually appealing. Drawer dividers and pull-out cabinet organizers make small spaces more functional, so you're not digging for that missing spatula. If you're short on counter space, try a rolling kitchen cart. It adds storage and can double as an extra prep station. Accessories are the easiest way to add personality without a big commitment. A colorful rug, bold tea towels, or trendy bar stools can instantly refresh your space. Hang a statement piece of artwork or a stylish kitchen clock to create a focal point. Even something as simple as matching dishware and stylish canisters can make your kitchen feel more cohesive and designed. Plants bring life to any space. A small herb garden on the windowsill is practical and beautiful. If you don't have much counter space, try hanging planters or a vertical plant wall. Low-maintenance options like succulents or pothoes are perfect for busy condo dwellers. And there you have it, 10 easy, budget-friendly ways to transform your small condo kitchen from bland to bold. These simple updates prove that you don't need a huge renovation to make a big impact. Which of these upgrades are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Go Condo for more stylish home ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.